Creating an indoor balcony garden on a shady balcony can be a delightful way to bring greenery and life to your living space. Here are 10 amazing indoor balcony garden ideas tailored specifically for shady balconies. 1. Shade-loving plants. Choose plants that thrive in low-light conditions, such as peace lilies, ferns, spider plants, snake plants, pothos, and ZZ plants. 2. Hanging baskets. Hang baskets filled with trailing plants, like pothos, spider plants, or ferns to add greenery and interest to your balcony. 3. Vertical gardens. Create a vertical garden using hanging planters, wall-mounted shelves, or a trellis to maximize space and add visual appeal to your balcony. 4. Window boxes. Install window boxes on the railing or windowsills, and fill them with shade-loving plants like ferns, impatiens, or begonias. 5. Foliage plants. Focus on foliage plants with interesting textures and colors to create a lush and vibrant balcony garden. 6. Tropical plants. Incorporate tropical plants like philodendrons, bromeliads, or calatheas to add a touch of exotic flair to your balcony garden. 7. Fern collection. Create a collection of different fern varieties, such as Boston ferns, maidenhair ferns, or bird's nest ferns, to add texture and depth to your balcony garden. 8. Moss garden. Grow a moss garden in shady areas of your balcony using moss species like Irish moss, cushion moss, or sheet moss for a soft and lush ground cover. 9. Fairy garden. Create a miniature fairy garden in containers or terrariums, filled with shade-loving plants, small figurines, and whimsical decorations. 10. A garden. Grow shade-tolerant herbs like mint, cilantro, parsley, or chives in pots or hanging baskets for fresh culinary ingredients right outside your door.